Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create this amazing effortless party look. This is a very easy look, trust me, but it looks so glamorous. So if you want to know how you can achieve this glam, then please keep on watching. Now for the primer I'm using the Mars primer. And for the illuminator, I usually tend to use a liquid illuminator so that I get a dewy base. I'm using the Rare Beauty one, and I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation over here, and then just slightly blending it with the beauty blender. Now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, and I'm just concealing my under eyes and over my eyelids. To bake, I'm using the Fit Me loose powder. Again, I am in the shade medium. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the PAC eyeshadow. I'm just taking this orange shade, applying all over my crease and on the outer corner. Now the key here is to go 2 or 3 times, as the color is very buildable, so you get a very good orange color on your eyelids above the crease. And then I'm taking this shimmery shade and applying it literally all over my eyelid. This is the best pigmented, most buttery eyeshadow I have ever seen. And I'm just applying it all over my eyelids above. Then taking the brush and the same shade which we have used on the crease and just blending it in and applying the same orange shade on my lower lash line, and that is literally the eyeshadow look done using 2 simple colors. And I'm just cleaning up the eyeshadow using an angled brush with some concealer. Now for the blush, I'm using the K-Play blush from My Glam. I'm just simply applying it. For my highlighter, again I'm using the K-Play highlighter from My Glam. This is a golden toned highlighter. To contour, I'm just using my Swiss Beauty concealer, which I accidentally got in the wrong shade, but surprisingly it works best as a contour, so I'm just using it in that way. For my brows, I'm just using a empty spoolie just to keep them in proper place, and then curling my lashes and getting them ready. For the mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. It just gives a perfect volume plus a standard length. You can see the difference over here, how cute it is. And for the lashes, we have the OTT Drama lashes from Nykaa. I absolutely love these lashes. You'll just see in a second how gorgeous and glamorous they look. Just look at it. So my lashes are on, and the last step is lipstick. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade Assertive. It is a orangish shade, so I just made it a little bit more darker using the other lipstick, which is the Nykaa's So Cream lipstick. Just applying both of them together so that it gives like a darkish but still an orangish shade which goes with my eyeshadow look. And to set the to set the face, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus over here, and basically that is my entire makeup look ready. I love how this makeup looks. It's just very monotonous but still yet so glamorous. Especially the lashes are just something else. So yeah, let me know in the comments below how you like this look, if you're going to recreate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.